Hello guys, this is how you add the wire transfer, the preferred payment method on your YouTube AdSense account. Also, if you're like on your AdSense and then you see like when you go to payments info, it will tell you your country and it will say here $0. Don't be concerned. This site or the payments info, this is for the Google ads. So if you have a website or whatever, or you're like sharing some ads on other platforms or blogs, whatnot, that ad revenue will like appear here. This is not the YouTube ad revenue. They split it. It used to be, I think, same in the past, but now they like split it. So this is for the ad revenue from web pages and stuff, you know, not the YouTube one. And then for YouTube, you have to go here. You click AdSense for YouTube, and then it will like tell you your YouTube AdSense. As you can see, it's not 0. Also here, and then you click on 3 dots, go view payments. As you can see, I don't have a payment method here. And this is like the threshold, etc. This is from like last month. I think it updates the revenue every month. So next month it will update whatever I made on YouTube this month. So to add the payment method, aka wire transfer, you go here, add payment method. And these are options available for me. So I wouldn't recommend to check details unless you're like a US, because it takes long to get here, and then it like takes, I don't know, for me it takes like 40 days for it to go through, which is like super slow. And then you have to pay a fee on like, I don't know, it's like a huge bank fee also for it to go through, so it like takes forever. So the best method is just to add new wire transfer details, and then the money will just go to your bank account. Make sure that your bank account is the same country as your AdSense account. Obviously you have to do this first, the ID verification and then the address verification. Obviously it's like the same country, and when you get the PIN, also you can like switch here between these. So AdSense is for ads, and this is for the YouTube ads. YouTube is for YouTube ads. So you go to payment, new wire details, and then I just called my bank, so they sent me like email with my bank account details, so you can like fill out this. And if the beneficiary ID, you don't need this. This is like optional if you have it. You can add more than one wire transfer detail, so you like 2 accounts, but they have to be like in the same country, it like registered in the same country, the bank account. So I'm from Bosnia, so this card is from Bosnia, obviously. And then your account has to be open to like it has to be open to like international wire transfer, so you can receive money from abroad, basically. So yeah. Name on a bank account. This is your basically your first name and last name, as you can see here. Your full name as shown on your bank statements, so your government name. Bank name, you copy that from the spreadsheet or whatever. So you call your bank and then ask for IBAN code, basically, and then they will send you the email with all the like details of it. Bank name, Swift, BIC, code is, or just BIC code is 8 or 11 character identification code for a particular bank. It looks like maybe printed on top of the bank statement, etc. Yeah, or just contact your bank, as I said, to get your code. And then banks use Swift, BIC when they transfer money or send message to another bank, so it's like international. And then this is your international bank account number, is a unique identification code for a particular bank. What it looks like, it's made up of a 2-letter country code up to 30 alphanumeric characters. check your bank statements, or you call your bank. It's used for the banks to identify your bank account internationally, and then you just copy the bank account, and that's it. So here I have the email the bank sent me, so I'll just put this in, and then I will just enter this, and then that's it pretty much. So enter my first name. You have to enter like the full bank name or whatever it says. Raiffeisen. And then the Swift code. It's usually short to S. You can also look up for the Swift code online, like now IBAN code is like your personal bank account number for like the broad or like international banks. So you type that in, make sure your caps lock is on. How many zeros is this? Okay, I can just copy it, I think. It's easier. Yeah, I can copy. So and once you copy the IBAN code, IBAN, I don't know, code, you click save. Is that it? And that should be it. Let it load. And that's it. That was the other user. And that's it. That's how you do that's how you add a wire transfer as a payment method in your AdSense. Anyways, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helped. See you guys in the next one.